Yeah, good evening, people. Welcome to Alien TV. Like and subscribe if you want. You know what I mean? Big up all the Miami crew. Big up all the Mobile crew. You know what I mean? Portmore crew large up. You get me a deal with Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, Trelawney, St. Ann, Portland, St. Thomas. The whole of Kingston and St. Andrew large up. You know me I say? Yes, I. Big up all the New York crew. See me. Big up on himself. Philly crew, Cali crew large up on himself. Atlanta. No, me can't believe this beautiful lady. Beautiful lady Karen Nugent. I can't understand what going on in Jamaica, dog. I cannot understand what is going on in Jamaica, people. Like, this lady is a Christian lady. To them I talk about this lady in a nice Christian woman in a be. Never have sex with no man, you know, according to her family in a be. This woman never even have sex with no man be. This lady graduate from Excelsior High with 16 subjects. Then she went to the UTech, the University of Technology, and then the UWI, University of the West Indies. A brilliant lady. Good woman, from work to school. And somebody killed this lady, my lord. Somebody set up this lady and kill the lady and burn up the lady in her house. So me I wonder, why them kill the lady? What she could have do? If she's a Christian lady when they mix up in a bangarang, why them come kill her? For the house them kill her be? I kill Miss Nugent for her house be. I kill her for her talent and her ambition. I kill the woman because she keep herself to herself. I kill her because of jealousy. Upon the lady, man, no matter where you come from in a Jamaica, or where you're there in the world as a Jamaican, when you see them things you go and be, and you know there's something wrong with society be. Something wrong with society. I quote the man them a take virgin. I embalming fluid the man them a smoke be. A voodoo ritual the man them a carry out, my lord. Why the man them a go around and kill off the people them be. You see me I say, family members a kill family members for them house and property and for insurance money. Now look on this good lady, my lord. Burn out the lady. Neighbor say 3 o'clock to 3:30 them see for smoke her what come from the lady house, brethren. And them summon the fire, the police and the fire brigade, and them come and go in there and see say the lady deceased be 39-year-old lady die, brethren. For real be. The lady is a good lady. Nobody is perfect, brethren, but based upon the circumstances and the reports be, must someone who know her kill her be, because she won't let anybody in the house. The way this lady move, I know Christian people stay them very finicky and funny, and them picky with who them associate themselves with, because they know how society run and how Jamaica is. And you can see this lady keep herself circumspect from a lot of things. They in her yard and your trouble come right in your house. Right in her house, them come and kill the lady. And feel them get to and feel God asleep, you know? Feel them get to and feel God asleep. Rest in peace, Miss Karen Nugent, and everything will come out eventually. So if I kill you for your house, forget the house, or insurance money, it will come out. Because you're a Christian lady and God not sleep. God never sleep nor slumber. Never sleep nor slumber be. This not right, brethren. Upon the lady. Beautiful, aspiring, bright. Some dirty drunker, dirty dog shit, some dirty scoundrel, my lord. Come and tie up the lady, rope up the lady like pig, and burn the lady in her house. Look on the house, people. Look on the driveway where smoke come through all the window. Look on the bedroom window. How them do the lady. Why they burn up the lady after you kill her? You cover your tracks. And molest when you try to molest her, rape her and she resist. Just like Tamara Geddes. And she resist the rape. Them kill her and burn up her body and them thing there. Stab her up or shoot her or whatever them do to the lady or strangle her, my lord, and then burn her up because she refused to have sex with them. Is that the scenario, my lord? Burn every rapist, my lord. Rest in peace, Karen Nugent. I me do a part 2 on this because I watch what I go on. Yes, sir.